Today is September 19th, 2025. Just received my Apple Watch Series 10 GPS, 46mm space gray aluminum case with Anker blue sports band. So now we'll do the unboxing and see what it looks like. So I put some post-it notes over my shipping information there. So the outside shipping container is right here, and let's open this up and actually see the Apple Watch in the actual Apple packaging. It's actually pretty nice. Got the bumpers on each side. So here's the Apple Watch box. Don't need the shipping box anymore. So then this, I guess we can do it this way. Just open these up. And here's the Apple Watch is in here with the cables and everything. And then here's actually the Anker blue sports band that I got with it. Here's the graphics inside the Apple Watch for the packaging. Don't need that anymore. So we'll open up the band first. Again, there's these little tabs right here. Just pull them and opens right up. Nothing else really in there. That's just the band. Which would be like if you bought it in the store regular too. Little cheat sheet, our little sheet here, probably warranty. Oh, they do have some instructions here on how to use the band, how to attach it to the actual watch, how the loop band goes, and then how to remove the band if you want to change it out. I didn't know which band to go with, so I just went with this one. It's kind of a nice blue. It's a very, very dark navy blue, so that's what I wanted, was a dark band. Because when I get the light bands, they actually get dirty fast, and that's not very good. So here's opening up the Apple Watch. All these little tabs here, they make it so easy. Turn it around there. So designed by Apple in California. So this will be the charging cable. I have other ones because I actually upgraded mine. My current one is actually 6 years old, so it's pretty dated. So the standard USB-C cable. And then these just pop out here. Don't need that anymore. So it'll just magnetically attach to this, the actual watch, and then it's USB-C here, which is actually good. Everything should be USB-C at this point. And then here's the actual 46mm Apple Watch 11 GPS. Take this out. And space gray is a new color this year, so I want to see how this looks. Get a good view of it there. Trying to get it with, there you go, so you can see the light. And I'll show you a comparison to what I have right now. So we don't need this box anymore, and this piece. So size-wise, the one on the left is my old series. I believe it's a Series 6. And then the new one is on this side. And even though it's not, doesn't look like it's a lot bigger. So this one had bezels on the side, so it made the screen actually smaller. Where this one, the bezels are a lot smaller. So the actual watch isn't that much bigger, but the actual screen will be a little bit bigger. Let's turn it on. There's probably some charge on this. I haven't set it up, obviously. So now I'm going to show you how the charging works. Here you have the charging cable with the concave portion there, and it just kind of goes right up there, and it's magnetic, so it goes right into place. You can see here the battery was probably at about 98% right out of the box, so that's actually really good. So it looks like the watch now has to be set up. I really can't do much more with it there. So now I'm going to put on the actual band, so you can see how easy that is. Just pretty much slide it in there, and it'll actually snap. And then do the same thing with the other side. And it's all secure. And then this just pulls apart here, just with Velcro. And then you put it on your wrist and make it whatever size you need. So there it is on my wrist. So now I'm going to actually finish setting it up, and I'll continue the video after that. So this is a silver watch that I had previously. And this is the new space gray. Hopefully you can see the difference. This is the space gray. This is the silver. This is the Apple Watch 6 in silver. Unfortunately, the back is black, so you can't really see the difference on the back. Whereas here, you can kind of see the space gray. Looks just like a MacBook. So here's how I set up my watch. I have a couple different faces on there. Kind of a minimalistic one there. This one I found kind of interesting. This I believe is a new one with iOS 26. It's kind of different. Another very minimalistic. This is a World Time Digital. Here's Snoopy. And there's a ton of different faces on here. There's Mickey. I only loaded up 8.
It's 8:06.
There isn't a quick way to get back to the first one, which is kind of the favorite, so I wish I kind of had a shortcut for that. You kind of just have to go through them all. That one's kind of funny. And back to the home one. So this will conclude the unboxing video for the Apple Watch Series 11 GPS. 46mm space gray aluminum case with Anchor blue sports band. I really didn't show the sports band too much, but this is what it looks like. Kind of get the face all dirtied up there. There's what the face cleared back up. So this concludes the Apple Watch Series 11 GPS 46mm space gray aluminum case with Anchor blue sports band. These are a little bit more comfortable. I like them better than the rubber ones. They feel very light on the hands, so hopefully you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.